All right, y'all, we back. And we got us a beautiful G-body to take a look at. Let's get into it. 1985 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Now, I'm going to tell y'all like this, guys. This is one that I would buy personally. She's all here. Frame and floor pans are solid. Paint is in good condition. Lower doors are solid. Interior is in good condition. Let's check her out. Y'all drop down in the comments and tell me what's y'all favorite G-body. I actually like them all. But my dream G-body is a 1987 Buick Regal Turbo T Limited. I know a lot of guys like the Monte Carlo SS's. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Let's check out the top. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. And she does have a factory RPO code sticker. As y'all can see, she's solid as a rock. Trunk nice and clean. If you're in the market for a G-body, I highly recommend this one. Interior is nice and clean. She has power windows, power locks, bucket seats, console, floor mounted shifter, seats in good condition, headliner, back seat nice and clean. package tray. Check out the dash. Somebody took good care of her. Mileage reached a little over 30,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. Fire right up. Make sure y'all go over and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Do not miss out, guys. That's what we call running like a sewing machine. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one.